Shreya, we have seen how we are seeing massive waterlogging across the Delhi NCR region. Now, this is something which we have seen happening over the past many years. Unfortunate news which is now coming in is of the building collapse.
But Aishwarya, it's unfortunately the areas that we usually don't bat an eye upon in the national capital which faces such incidents. And as my colleague Arvind Oja and Amit Bharadwaj were suggesting, that the building structure has become a major issue. Remember last week itself, we reported an incident from Ghaziabad where a staircase collapsed in a society because of dense rainfall, and similar building collapse structures are reported when we see heavy rains lashing the national capital. This is usually away from the Lutyens zone, usually in dense clusters where we see the building structures not being maintained properly. But what is required is a monitoring on the level of ground, especially in such dense clusters. As of now, in the area of Jaipur in southeast Delhi, we've heard that redressal has received. People have been moved to the hospitals for treatment. 3 to 4 people were allegedly, under the debris of that wall that collapsed, is what we are being told. We are yet awaiting any further inquiries because the team on the ground, that includes the Delhi Police and the fire department, are carrying out a search if at all anyone else is also still under the debris. But as of now, we are awaiting that news. But as we talk, Aishwarya, Lutyens at least has definitely seen good work on the ground, because in the morning we've seen reports from ITO and other areas that also Amit had reported from, where there was heavy waterlogging, but there's work on the ground. There's probably at least traffic movement from where I am right now in ITO. It is completely in a normal situation, but unfortunately incidents from away from the Lutyens zone are continuing to get reported, and we only hope that monitoring increases in such areas so that incidents stop and we don't hear such unfortunate news of building and wall collapse in the near future.